I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the DualShock 4 has charge and the Ps4 is off or separated. This avoids automatic console reconnection. Then, press and hold the PS button and the share button together for about 5 seconds. Release when the light bar flashes rapidly. Once done, open Bluetooth settings on your phone, PC, or other device and start scanning. The controller appears as wireless controller. Pair it when shown so the host and controller exchange. After your host finds the appearing device, tap or click on wireless controller to initiate pairing. This step authorizes the connection. If a PIN or passcode appears, use 0000. Most hosts accept that or confirm any prompt so the devices exchange credentials and finalize trust. Make sure to set the controller as the default input device in the host settings, especially on PC, so games recognize it. Once connected, the light bar may change color. That indicates a successful link and controller ready. To finish, test inputs in a menu or game. If everything responds, you're ready. If pairing fails, power cycle the host, forget the controller in Bluetooth settings, then repeat pairing. This clears stale entries. If problems persist, press the small reset button on the controller's rear for a few seconds, then repeat the PS plus share method and pair again. Make sure no other nearby devices are actively connected to the controller, since residual links can block a new Bluetooth session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.